Yo, what's up, Superfit fam? This is SUPERCHAD bringing you guys another amazing video. Today I'm at the park. I'm actually with my boy Jimmy, who's over there, back there, if you guys can see him. We're actually gonna be hitting a workout here today at the park. We're gonna be doing a little bit of abs, and we haven't decided on whether we're gonna be doing back or a little bit of shoulders. You guys gotta tune in and see the rest of the video. And all right, guys, let's get it. Alright, so we just finished hitting some abs. That was a little intense. We did 5 sets, 20 seconds of every single exercise that you guys saw. That was pretty tough. Next, we're gonna go into some pushing and pulling exercises. We're actually gonna do a vertical pull. We're gonna do a vertical pull, then a vertical push, then a horizontal pull, and then a horizontal push. If you guys don't understand that, don't worry, just watch the video. You guys will understand soon. Alright guys, let's get it. Slow. I never concerned myself about muscle size. Like, I wanted to be big.
I mean, you're taking it to the next level. You're doing lateral training right now. You're doing lateral calisthenics, one-arm push-ups, pull-ups. Come on.
Ah! Because I started with my week on first.
Get all the way. Boom. Full range. Here, I got one more.
Damn, I hate stopping on one. That's like my biggest pet peeve.
This is where growth happens right here, baby. Let's go all the way. Chin over. There you go.
No, it's a personal thing. Like, I'm like, why are you gonna stop at 9? I'm like, you stop at 8 and do 2 more. Don't stop at 9 just for 1 more.
Really, you did 16 though.
Yeah.
You really did 16.
Yeah, keep the elbows tight to the body. Good. And then push back to the ears. Oh, good, nice mobility. Nice, Jimmy. Push ears. So we just finished some unilateral chin-ups, or working our one-arm chin-up skills. And then we also did some Hindu push-ups, which are kind of like dive bombers, but you get a little bit of lumbar mobility and lumbar flexibility, which is really good, and learn how to engage your glutes. Now we're gonna get into some horizontal pushing and horizontal pulling exercises. So we're gonna do some single arm rows, and then I think we're gonna jump into some plyometric push-ups with a little bit of like an ab rollout kind of fashion. So it's gonna be a plyometric push-up to a long reach, which is the same thing as a long plank or the end of an ab rollout. All right guys, so we're gonna get that, and then I think that should be the end of the workout because we got to get out of here. All right guys, let's go.
Better, way better. There you go. Pull the elbow down. There we go. That was way better. Elbow, elbow. Now pull the shoulder back now. Your elbow looks good, shoulder back. There we go. A lot better.
All right, Superfit fam, so we just finished the workout. That was a freaking amazing workout. It was actually amazing weather today here in Florida because usually it's like 90 something degrees. It was like a solid 75, so we crushed our reps. Everything was really good. Also, guys, please like and subscribe to my page. You know, it helps my channel out and everything like that. And please go check out my boy Jimmy G Fit over on YouTube. Instagram, all of his social media handles, I'll leave those all down below. He does a lot of functional training, a lot of stuff with kettlebells that is dope as hell. So go check his channel out. And as always, guys, I'll catch you guys in the next video. So stay healthy, stay fit, and peace.